Imagine waking up one morning to find that the traditional office is a relic of the past. I know it sounds crazy, but hear me out. We're living in a world where AI is advancing at an unprecedented rate, and it's changing the way we work. It's making me wonder, what if we don't need offices anymore? I've been thinking a lot about this, and it's not as far-fetched as it seems. With the rise of remote work, we're already seeing a shift away from traditional office spaces. And it's not just about working from home in your pajamas, it's about creating a more flexible and productive work environment. But what if we take it a step further? What if AI employees become the norm, and human workers are no longer needed in the same way? It's a bit like what happened to the manufacturing industry with automation. Machines took over many of the tasks that were previously done by humans, making production faster and more efficient. And it's not like humans were replaced entirely, but their roles changed. They focused on higher-level tasks that required creativity and problem-solving. It's a similar thing that could happen with AI in the office. I mean, think about it, most office tasks are repetitive and can be automated. From data entry to customer service, AI can do it all. And it's not just about saving time, it's about freeing up human workers to focus on more strategic and innovative tasks. It's like having a super efficient personal assistant, but instead of just scheduling appointments, it's handling entire projects. But what does this mean for the future workplace? Will we still need offices, or will they become a thing of the past? I think it's likely that we'll see a hybrid model, where some tasks are automated, and others require human interaction. And it's not just about the work itself, it's about the culture and community that comes with working in an office. It's a tough question, and one that I've been grappling with. As I see it, the future of work is all about flexibility and adaptability. We need to be able to work from anywhere, at any time, and still be connected to our colleagues and collaborators. It's like being part of a virtual team, where everyone is working together towards a common goal, regardless of their location. And AI can facilitate this, by providing the tools and platforms we need to communicate and collaborate effectively. And when I think about it, it's not just about the technology itself, it's about the impact it has on our daily lives. We'll have more time to focus on the things that matter, like our families, our health, and our personal growth. We'll be able to pursue our passions, and create a better work-life balance. It's a pretty exciting prospect, if you ask me. But, as with any change, there are also challenges to consider. What happens to the people who lose their jobs due to automation? How do we ensure that the benefits of AI are shared by all, and not just a select few? These are tough questions, and ones that we need to address as we move forward. It's like trying to solve a complex puzzle, where all the pieces need to fit together just right. As we navigate this new landscape, we need to be mindful of the potential risks and downsides. We don't want to create a world where AI is seen as a replacement for human workers, rather than a tool to augment and support them. It's a delicate balance, and one that requires careful consideration. It's a bit like trying to find the perfect recipe, where all the ingredients come together in just the right way. And when I think about my own experiences with AI, I have to say that I'm both excited and a little nervous. I mean, what if AI becomes so advanced that it replaces me? What if I'm no longer needed as a scriptwriter, and AI can do my job better and faster? It's a scary thought, but also a liberating one. Maybe I can focus on more creative and strategic tasks, and leave the writing to the machines. But, as I reflect on this, I realize that it's not just about me, or my job, or even the office itself. It's about the kind of world we want to create, and the values we want to uphold. Do we want a world where AI is used to augment and support human workers, or one where it's used to replace them? It's a choice we need to make, and one that will have far-reaching consequences. As we look to the future, it's clear that AI will play a major role in shaping the workplace. And it's not just about the technology itself, it's about the impact it has on our society and our culture. We need to be thoughtful and intentional about how we use AI, and ensure that it's aligned with our values and our goals. It's like trying to build a house, where every brick and every beam needs to be carefully placed. And as I think about this, I'm reminded of the importance of human connection and community. We need to make sure that as we adopt more AI and automation, we don't lose sight of what makes us human. We need to prioritize empathy, creativity, and collaboration, and find ways to use AI to enhance and support these qualities. It's a bit like trying to find the perfect harmony, where all the different notes come together in just the right way. But what does this mean for you and your own work life? Will you be working remotely or in a traditional office? Will you be working alongside AI employees, or will you be one of the ones who's replaced? It's a question that's on my mind, and one that I'd love to hear your thoughts on. As we move forward into this uncertain future, one thing is clear: the traditional office as we know it is changing. And it's not just about the physical space itself, it's about the way we work and the way we interact with each other. It's like being part of a big experiment, where we're all trying to figure out what works best. And as I ponder this, I start to think about the kinds of jobs that will be created, and the kinds of skills that will be needed. We'll need people who are experts in AI, and who can develop and implement these systems. We'll need people who are skilled in creative problem solving, and who can think outside the box. It's a bit like trying to predict the future, and it's both exciting and unsettling. But, as I see it, the future of work is all about embracing change, and being open to new possibilities. It's about being curious, and being willing to learn and adapt. And it's about being part of a community, where we can support and learn from each other. It's a pretty amazing prospect, if you ask me. And so, as we navigate this new landscape, I want to leave you with a question: what do you think the future of work will look like, and how will AI shape the workplace of tomorrow? It's a question that's on my mind, and one that I'd love to hear your thoughts on. If you're as curious as I am about the future of AI and its impact on our world, then join me on this journey of discovery, and let's explore the possibilities together.